All right, I'll show you our progress. We had to stop and go to Home Depot and get more pickets, but here we are. We'll be done in a couple hours. Well, done for this part.
Well, I'm gonna have to go cut and put
Yeah.
the bottom.
We're not, this is a big dip here, so we're gonna make it level across the top, and then she's gonna add some to the bottom to keep the dogs from sneaking out. So
We could put animal water there.
whatever.
Okay.
I got to put this is where the gate is going to hang off, so I got another 4x6 I'm going to put crossways this way, just to keep that pole there from falling over like that. So all right, we're going to finish these pickets up and clean up for the day. Show them what they've won, Vanna. A new fence. Okay. Now, I have a 4x6 that I'm going to cut and put it in there diagonally. I have to buy a gate. That'll be next month. Get a little more money. This was, so far, all this was right at, well, about $325 or so. And plus, well, yeah, the gate, I don't know what the gate is going to cost me. Okay, we're done with this, mostly done. The gate is going to be a whole separate project because I got to put a gate opener on it and wire it and set the opening and closing limits. And I'll show you how to do that, because there are a lot of people that don't know how to do that, and it's really simple once you know. It's very, very confusing in the instructions. Very confusing. As a matter of fact, the instructions will have you doing the wrong thing. So I'll show you how it's done. Mighty Mule gate opener.